Hello friends, this is Gloria Miller with People First Realty Group, and I am outside of 6222 Dorthy Muree Drive. So let's take a look and see what you guys think. This is the neighborhood. Look at the outside of this baby. This house is 2,150 square feet. Nice front doors, and it has one in the back. I love the blue doors. I've had a can of paint in my house for a blue door for all of probably 2 years now. So this house does have an office and a game room, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. You can see very spacious open floor plan, thick, the granite, how nice and thick it is. You can see it. This is not the fridge. This house was built in 2016. Actually, a lie. I think this house was built in 2018. You can see right to my left, you have the game room, exercise room, extended office, second office, whatever you want it to be. Guest room. This is a queen size bed, so you can see just how nice and spacious the rooms are. You could have a really nice queen size bed in there and still be comfortable. Second bath, also very spacious. Look at the floor. This house is such a great condition. I want to say immaculate because you know that gets us in trouble, but you're not going to find a home that is in better condition than this one. The owners have taken pride in the maintenance and upkeep of the home. So you can see you have your own side of the property of your house. And all this is natural light. Master bath. Double vanity, garden tub, walk-in shower. There's a light in there. And the water closet.